If you've peeked at the produce section lately, you know we're in peak zucchini season. And my next guest is putting that garden fresh zucchini to good use. This humble summer squash can star in so many ways, and these recipes prove it. Our friend Suzy Robertson is rolling out 3 ways to use up your zucchini bounty. The phrase coming out of our ears starts to become very appropriate and frequently used right now.
Yes, it does, especially if you have a garden.
Yes, it smells so good in our studio. All of these recipes look amazing, and they use up fall's favorite vegetable. So what's first?
Yes, okay, so first, this is a 1-pot pasta. You're gonna love this, Brooke. This is your kind of thing.
I'm excited.
Dump, blend, throw it in.
You know me.
So we're starting off with some marinara. This Rouse is a really great brand. And we're gonna add some protein for those picky kids who don't like, some kids don't like meat and textures, so this is gonna solve the problem. So we're gonna put in some cottage cheese,
and
a cup
blend
of that.
it in.
Yes. We're gonna blend that to get a little bit of protein in there if we're not gonna do meat.
So smart. I've got a hangry 3-year-old running around lately. Like, I can't get enough food in her little chubby body. I mean, based on the cheese, she's fine. But that protein will help stretch out, right?
Yes,
her tummy.
So we've got our zucchini, we've got carrots, we've got a red onion we're throwing in, and a squash.
Oh, you're
yellow squash.
loading it up.
Yes. And guess what? I have a really picky eater who doesn't love textures and hates vegetables. And guess what? He has no idea.
He doesn't even know what he's eating.
Eats it up, yes. So do this when the kids aren't looking.
Okay. All right, Santa, I want one of those.
Oh yeah, everyone needs a Vitamix.
That's amazing.
Yes. Oh, we forgot the seasonings.
Oh.
So Italian seasonings and some salt.
Okay.
That's it. And then a little bit of red pepper.
So a little bit of chopping, and you're really good on this homemade sauce.
Okay. So that's good. So now all we're gonna do is take our pasta. I love buying pasta that's made in Italy. It's only like $1 more. It tastes better, and it doesn't give people the belly aches like a lot of pastas do.
Oh.
And then we have 2.5 cups water, and then we pour our sauce in. And this is it. We're just gonna set it for 5 minutes, Brooke.
Stop it.
Swear. Dinner
Stop
comes
it
together
right now.
so fast.
We thank the Instant Pot, and we thank Suzy Robertson. That's amazing.
So all we're gonna do is set it for 5 minutes on high and let it cook, and
Okay.
it's done. If you wanna add some ground turkey, like cook some on the side, you can add some more meat like that. And then some
Suzy.
cheese at the end.
Amazing. Okay, we've got to talk zucchini bread. That's kind of the most common use, I think.
Yes, and this is a little bit healthier. So this is why zucchini bread literally has like 2 cups of sugar in a loaf. That's how much sugar it is. That's why people love it, right?
Yeah.
But I've made it a little bit healthier. We only do a 1/4 cup of avocado and then 1/2 cup of sugar. So we're replacing it with a little bit lighter, less sugar, lighter sugar.
But still sweet.
Yes. I would implore you to try.
I would accept.
And then we're going to use coconut oil, so we have a good healthy oil in there.
This is so good.
And a couple drops of orange essential oil or orange zest. You can do either, but it's got 3. Can you taste that hint of orange?
Subtly,
Yeah,
yeah.
it's really subtle.
This is
You
good.
can do more, but it's just 3 drops in the whole thing. But I like to make the mini loaves because they're easy too.
This is the zucchini recipe, the zucchini bread recipe you like.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm tripping over Z. It's a consonant. Pull yourself together. Zucchini bread recipe. Delicious. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay, I am really excited about this, not gonna lie.
Yes. Okay, so, because this is another great way to use them up. So you're just gonna slice your zucchini, and this is just a basic flour mixture. I've used some kamut flour, but you can use any flour with some garlic and onion salt. And then in our eggs, and then we're going into some panko crumbs, and this has a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And guess what, Brooke? You don't even have to add all the seasonings. You can buy panko crumbs that are like Italian seasoned with the Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
So then you're just gonna stick those in the air fryer for 8 to 10 minutes, and then they're ready to go. And I've put some marinara on there, so you can dip it in marinara. Or, I don't know if you've ever been to Maggiano's, but they do a ranch with lemon in there. So you take ranch, you squeeze a little lemon, and it's so yummy as a dip.
Yum.
So you could also put these on top of the pasta, so as like, like a chicken Parmesan, but it's like a zucchini Parmesan.
Like a garnish, yeah. A little, ooh,
yeah, a little
so
crunch.
good.
Yeah.
While we're talking air fryer, we had a viewer question come in. We wanted to hit to you as our expert. This is from Marla. She said she's tried to get along with the air fryer a handful of times, bought different brands, tried different recipes, but she says, is there a secret for using and liking the air fryer? That's kind of vague. What would you say to Marla?
So I love my air fryer. This is the Ninja Foodie, and I love this for many reasons because it's an air fryer, but also you can lift the air fry lid and it becomes a pressure cooker and a slow cooker. It does everything.
An all-in-one.
So the downside of this is if you have a large family and you're making a ton, it only makes this round pot size, right? So then if that's the case, I would tell someone to go with like a Breville is a really good brand. It's more of a high-end brand, but they have it where it has the several racks, so you can do several things at a time. Like if kids are air frying, you know, nuggets or fries or whatever, you can have the racks and do more.
Do you think it's a long, committed relationship with your air fryer, or are we like hit and miss with this shiny toy?
Oh, I love it because
You're in.
Yes.
Yeah.
And my kids who love those dino nuggets, they won't have them anywhere else besides in the air fryer.
Thanks for normalizing our dinner lives, Suzy.
Hey,
we love you.
that, yes.
Where can we get more inspiration from you?
So Cook Healthy with Suzy on Instagram, and we have an upcoming class, a farm to table class. I've partnered with Taggy's Farm CSA boxes. I don't know if you've ever got one, but they're amazing. So we're going to cook up with a bunch of the produce this next week, and then my fall program starting again, my cooking and coaching program. So sign-ups are now, monthly pricing's available. So
she is the best person
Instagram.
to coach you toward a healthier but more delicious life. Thank you, Suzy.
You're welcome.
We'll link you to our website from ours.